using the Layout Wizard. Run XSplit Broadcaster to start a new presentation. In the Welcome screen, click Get Started with a Layout. This will bring up the Layout Wizard window. There are several layouts to choose from. For this guide, let's choose Solo Presentation. Here you can select which sources to add to your chosen layout. Let's start with Source 1, which is typically used to add your camera source. Click Select Source, go to Camera Capture Card, then select your webcam from the list. Your camera should appear in the layout preview. Now let's do the same for Source 2. Here you can add another source such as a game source, videos, or in this case, a browser window. You can even add more character to your presentation by choosing a background. We've included a lot of background choices to match your preference. Select any of the background from the list, then click OK. Take another look at the layout preview to see if everything looks good. Then click Finish when done. There you have it, a very easy way to lay out and add your sources with just a few clicks.